Do you remember when fuel ports were simple? You just open the lid and there you go. You're able to fuel and just shut it. Everything simple. No electronics, no power required. It got smarter somewhat when sliding doors were invented. They put in a fuel lid lever by the driver's side seat. So pull the lever and the fuel door opens slightly without getting in the way of the power sliding door. And then came electric vehicles with a smart electric fuel lid. I say electric fuel because they're powered fully by electricity. But here I have an issue because this smart electric fuel lid, it wouldn't release. If this electronic part fails, then you're stuck. charge.
Get in there. Yeah, you're gonna need a new charge.
Oh, I need the new one. Yeah.
Yeah, just because of the it's not releasing.
You know, the first symptom was the it wouldn't the charge port door wouldn't open. You know, the electromagnet would not release.
All right.
So I scheduled an appointment. I said I'm stuck. I couldn't charge. They said you can, you know, you can carefully pry it open, and then should allow you to charge. But it got worse over time. So it would charge, and then now it wouldn't release.
You don't have another charger.
Yeah, I have it on.
You don't have another one.
Oh, another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Here.
I'm wondering if we hook that up and then we can see if we can unlock it with another one. Yeah, I'm not seeing no release. Yeah. Yeah.
So, what are we doing this time? To
So right now
unpower?
there's no power to the car right now. So it's completely off.
Oh.
Reset the charge port, reset the car, computer, reset everything.
Hopefully it will come alive.
Yeah, hopefully it responds. Like it knows that it's connected,
Yeah.
but it doesn't want to release. So that's why I'm gonna just do the reset.
All right, Larry. Okay, thank you. Charging right now. Still green. Virgin. Here now is the moment of truth. Will the charge port release the charge cable? And there you go. The charge cable is released. Problem is fixed. Successful.